Hello and welcome to Mark and Kelly's Trips, Tips and Things. We are at Fortnum's to try the ice cream parlour. I am so excited. Mark and I have been waiting for ages to get a reservation here, and we finally got a Sunday reservation. We booked at 12 o'clock so that it might be nice and chilled, and the 12 o'clock was the earliest reservation that they had, and it was chilled. There's not that many people here. There's a few, but not that many. I love the decor. Look at this mural here. I'm just sitting underneath it, and it's almost like I'm in the company of royalty. So I'm checking out the menu to see what there is. Now, if you decide that you want to go to the ice cream parlour, but you're not looking for anything sweet, you'd like something more savoury, they do have it here. So they have light bites here, and they also do an afternoon tea. Now, it's not like your traditional afternoon tea, but it's a light afternoon tea nonetheless. So here is a view of the menu, and Mark is going to go through the menu with you. If you just want a quick overview, I also did a YouTube short, of which I will add the link in below.
So I'm just taking a look at some of the ice creams they do here. You've got tropical coconut, dulce de leche, double chocolate, banana split, strawberry, coffee, salted caramel, some of the regulars here, but they've got sunflower seed, macadamia, Blackpool rock, which I've never seen before. Clotted cream is a good one, blueberry yogurt, and ruby and pearl. I don't know what the ruby and pearl is, but it sounds good. You can also have sorbet, so lemon, raspberry, passion fruit, orange and guava, pineapple, pomegranate, and good old lychee. Okay, so you can have a choice of scoops and coops. So basically you make an ice cream sandwich. So those are about between £7.50 and £9.50. There are the 2 or 3 scoops you can potentially have with the flavours. You can have the macadamia, strawberry, sunrise, Queen Elizabeth coupe, or the chocolate bourbon sandwich there. If you fancy sundaes, if that's more of your thing, you've got the Banoffee Glory, which is £13.50, or the Jubilation. You can see there pineapple, passion fruit, orange and guava, quite a few flavours there. Good old Knickerbocker Glory, banana split, or the original Dusty Road, which is coffee and chocolate ice cream. Now, if you fancy a shake, they do shakes and floats. You've got the 52 float, which is passion fruit, orange and guava, sorbet and lemonade. Lemonade float, the classic shake, and the honeycomb shake as well, which sounds nice as well. So there's some ideas for you here at the park. Now, if you want a little bit of savoury before your ice cream, they do those here. So you have Welsh rarebit, elegant rarebit, which I'm not sure what that is, classic pea and minced scotch egg, Highland scramble, which is smoked salmon, scrambled eggs, toasted on sourdough. You've got oof, I can't even pronounce that, but I'm not sure what that is. Courgette, feta, tomato, tart, coronation chicken, raisin loaf, English pea and broad bean salad, and smoked haddock fish cake. So basically, these are obviously a small little snack before you have your ice cream. But if you prefer, you can go for some cakes and puddings here. So they've got a choice of cakes that you can have here. I'm really looking at the carrot cake. It looks delicious, but you can go for scones if you want to.
Okay, so I decided to build mine because nothing can sort of like had the lychee mixed with the other flavours that I wanted, and I really love lychee. So I ordered the lychee, macadamia and pineapple. So the pineapple and the lychee are both sorbets, and the macadamia is actually a soft serve ice cream. I also got it topped with strawberry and double chocolate, not double chocolate twice, it's just called double chocolate, by the way. And then I also got a honeycomb topping, so can't wait.
That's interesting. If you had double chocolate twice, would that be quadruple chocolate?
Well, yeah, I guess if it's double chocolate, then yeah. But is it double chocolate as in it's mixed milk chocolate and white chocolate? Is that what the double chocolate stands for? Who knows?
We'll leave that in the comments. Anyway, we're going to enjoy. We'll let you see what we've ordered in our little Fortnum and Mason water, and we've decided to have it just so cleanse our palate when we have it. Now, I have decided to go for the Jubilation.
Okay.
Now, according to this, and it says a little disclaimer here, the Jubilation is built on some of the rumoured some of the Queen's favourites.
Oh wow.
So that's why I wanted to try, just to see what the Queen's favourites are, and just to say, because we've been here to the Parlour, we wanted to try it. This is Kelly and mine's, as we said, first time at the Parlour.
Okay, so what is in is it the Jubilation?
Jubilation. So in the Jubilation, we've got pineapple, passion fruit, orange and guava, pomegranate sorbet with fresh pomegranate, fresh pineapple, fresh passion fruit and coconut shaving. So I'm really excited to do that. And I'm guessing, we'll see if it is, but it's like a knickerbocker glory, so it's in quite a big pie.
It's very tropical, isn't it?
It is, and you know what, I was torn between that and the strawberry sunrise. I love eating mess. So I thought that would be like in the strawberry sunrise, but I really want to try the Jubilation.
Did they not have meringue topping? Yeah, they had mini. I forgot to order mini meringues. That's what I wanted.
Well, I'll tell you what.
If he comes back,
when he comes back, we'll ask.
I'll ask, yeah.
Okay, look at this. They have both arrived. There they are. And what do you think?
I really like it. I mean, look at that. He brought me over a rose. So I forgot to order, I wanted mini meringues, so I ordered as an afterthought. And he brought them in this sort of like little dish here. And then he topped it with a lovely rose. And then I've got the 3 meringues. So as you can see, I've got the honeycomb, the strawberry sauce, the chocolate sauce. And I can only imagine that this must be the lychee. And I don't know if you can see it right there, but that must be the pineapple. It's a little bit yellow there.
Oh yeah.
And then right here must be the macadamia. So I can't wait to dive into that.
Now, before you do, can you do me a favour? Can you just hold yours out? Do you know what yours reminds me of?
Go on.
You know in the scene Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade where he finds the cup? That's what it is, but that's the cup full of ice cream. It does look amazing. I love that cup it's served in. Look,
yeah.
It's see-through at the base, but it's almost like it looks sort of amber, I suppose.
Yeah.
It's a really nice sort of look.
It's like a goblet.
Yeah, it is like a goblet.
Yeah.
Right, anyway, on to mine.
So what's in yours?
So mine, like I say, so this has got the pineapple. You can see the pineapple pieces, you can see the shavings of coconut, and they're toasted as well.
Wow.
Also as well, you can see, I think in here, there should be passion, there's a pomegranate piece.
Yeah.
And then I've got my guava ice cream. I've got my pomegranate sorbet, which I think is the one, the red one right at the base. And in here as well, I've got, pomegranate sorbet, and there's pineapple, which I think is this one, pineapple sorbet, and I think this is the passion fruit, orange and guava.
Wow.
So it does look good.
Wow.
So I'm going to let Kelly try hers first, and I'm going to try it, and then we're going to try each other.
And I believe I'm trying the macadamia nut first.
So this is the macadamia nut, and you're going to have a little bit of honeycomb with it. Good.
That macadamia nut is so good. It's so nutty, and it's really nice.
Is it?
It's a little bit salty too.
Oh, is it like a salty caramel taste?
No.
Okay, what you're having now?
This is the lychee, I believe.
And I see you got some chocolate sauce on there. Good.
It's interesting because it tastes of lychee and not of rose. Sometimes people mix the two flavours between rose and lychee, but this actually tastes of lychee. So yeah. I think that salted flavour is coming from the crunchy, from the honeycomb pieces. Okay, so this is the pineapple. That's really good.
Yeah.
That's really good. It's hard to say. I think I like the lychee the most.
Really? I was going to say, I thought that would be your favourite.
But I think I'm a little bit biased because I like lychee.
Oh, I love lychee too.
I really do like. I like all of them, but the macadamia nut is really nice and nutty as well. It's very nice. Awesome.
with this, which I've no idea what it is. This is the, what colour would you describe it as? It's like an orange.
Yeah, but that could be the guava, the passion fruit, and all that mixed together.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's a very strong guava and passion fruit taste.
Wow.
It's mainly, passion fruit is such a strong flavour.
Yeah.
And that predominantly comes through in this ice cream. It's very, very passion fruity. Now we've tried the passion fruit curd, and it's very much like that. It's a very strong passion fruit flavour.
Ah, okay.
That's very good. This is a very fruity ice cream. Okay, so this, I think it's pineapple. It's a very strong pineapple flavour.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, last but not least, I think this is the pomegranate. Although, let me try again. It's not as strong as the others. I thought that pomegranate would be slightly stronger, but it's not. I think my favourite has got to be this one, which is the passion fruit. It's really strong. This is really refreshing. If you like fruity one, this is for you. If you want the creamier one, probably wouldn't go for this because it's quite sharp. So it's got all the fruity flavours in it. For me, that's really refreshing. And that's really, really good. And with the pineapple pieces as well.
Okay, so for creating my own sundae, I got a badge of honor.
You did! So now, this is it guys. If you do create your own ice cream sundae, do ask for this. You can get your Platinum Jubilee Super Sundae bag of honor. That's for creating your own ice cream, which Kelly did.
And then with this, you actually get 3 toppings. I don't know how many toppings, but unlimited 3 toppings. So as long as you have this badge with you, the next time that you come to the parlour and you have this badge, you can get unlimited 3 toppings.
There you are.
How cool is that?
So there we are guys. If you do want that, remember that is for future use here at the Parlour in Fortnum and Mason.